India's Lok Sabha has passed the Online Gaming Bill 2025. So if you have ever played games like Dream 11, MPL or even simple online card games for cash, this directly affects you. What's changing, what stays the same, and what does it mean for your everyday gaming experience? I am Soumyangi Yadav and today we are breaking it all down in Straight Up by edX Live. From now on, any online game that involves real money stakes is banned. That means no more legal fantasy cricket leagues, no rummy or poker apps, no online lotteries, and no betting sites. It doesn't matter if it's a game of skill or of luck. If you are putting money in to win money back, it's banned. And the penalties are serious. Game operators could face up to 3 years in jail and fines of rupees 1 crore. Celebrities and influencers promoting these apps risk 2 years in jail or fines up to rupees 50 lakh. Repeat offenders could be looking at 5 years in jail and fines as high as rupees 2 crores. On top of that, most of these offences are non-bailable. To reiterate, the ban applies only to games where money is on the line. It doesn't touch regular gaming. Even esport tournaments like PUBG, BGMI, Valorant or FIFA are not affected. In fact, the bill recognizes esports as a legitimate industry. Importantly, in-app purchases in games like buying skins, battle passes or power-ups also seem to be unaffected. You are still free to spend on those because you are paying for the features, not gambling. So why this change? The government says online money gaming has led to addiction, financial ruin and even suicides among young players. There are also risks of fraud, money laundering and terror financing. That is why the bill also sets up a central gaming authority which will decide which games are legal and block the illegal ones. To sum it up in simple terms, if you play games for fun, nothing changes. But if you are in it for the money or you are endorsing those apps, the new law makes the risk much higher than the reward. That's all for today's episode. Do you think online money games should be banned? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We will be back with another video tomorrow. Till then, stay safe.